Hey guys, today I'm crafting using my Dollar Tree stash. I'm not going to the store and neither should you, so I'm going to show you super easy ways to put together things at home using Dollar Tree products you probably have, or if not, you can pick up with a quick order on Amazon. These are easy and totally relaxing. I hope you guys enjoy. First is a beautiful acrylic water flower display. I'm sure you've got some extra dollar store flowers sitting around, some silk flowers. And this is not the only bucket I have like this. I kind of hoard flowers. Grab your favorite combo and a vase you have sitting around. And since we have some extra time on our hands these days, I want to tell you my favorite way to remove stickers: Goo Gone spray. Spray it on, let it sit, and it wipes off super easily. And I love acrylic water. This stuff is so easy to use. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. You mix it up until it's completely clear, pour into a vase, and then add your stems. After about 24 hours, the resin's gonna dry and it's gonna look just like water, and these are such beautiful arrangements. These are so elegant and retail in store for $50 to $100. I'm not kidding. You can get creative with it and add Dollar Tree rocks to the bottom or use whatever vase or whatever things you have on hand. Next is one of my favorites of the video. A few months ago at Dollar Tree, I found birch wood bags. Now at Michael's, these are $5 to $6, so I was super excited to find them for just $1. I set them on a plate and hot glued them together in a circle. This was really relaxing, only took a couple of minutes. I highly recommend gluing the perimeter first and then adding glue to the inside. And it makes a beautiful trivet or a coaster that you could set your flower displays on. Or even consider getting branches from your backyard and cutting them down. Natural elements for the win. I couldn't escape this video without upcycling a Dollar Tree sign. I had an Easter sign and I just took some of the embellishments off and flipped it over to the back. I removed the rope hanging, and then I took Dollar Tree chalkboard paint that I found a couple of months ago. And you guys, this stuff is awesome for $1. But if you don't have that, you could use any paint you have sitting in your garage. It doesn't necessarily have to be chalk paint, but I was super impressed with the coverage. I decided to use some old letters that I found in my stash that I never had a purpose for. This was actually on a string, so I just took some caulking and put it into the holes so those would be a little bit more concealed, and hot glued them onto the sign. What do you already have around your house that you could use? Letters, a good quote, something that inspires you? Turned out super cute. I love this. And you could even just write on this with chalk or put different quotes on it. Okay, so you may remember in an old haul video that I picked up this Dollar Tree orb, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with it, but I decided to make a hoop wreath using some of my leftover flowers. All of the Dollar Tree flowers have wire built inside. I just trimmed them down and wrapped it around the hoop. It's gonna take some time to get there. And one of my favorite tricks is to put live flowers in an Easter basket. This one came from the Dollar Tree and it totally reminds me of Pottery Barn. It's a little way to love your home and soak up the sweet moments where you can. Definitely leave a comment down below and tell me what's up with you. What are you working on around your house? This community is such a beautiful place, and I am so grateful that we have it. I hope this video is inspiring you to think in a new way, relax, take a minute for yourself, and just craft. If you are brand new here, you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so I can catch you in the next one, and leave it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Take a minute, acknowledge all that's on your plate, and remind yourself today that you are enough. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. I think you did.
in the... Oh man, this is gonna look epic.
Lots of DIYs at our house these days.
Yeah, whoa!